Hello again, welcome to yet another episode on RA MCUs. In this video, we'll explore a useful feature of the Renesas Flash Programmer, how to upload our program onto the RA board while it's in the boot mode. You might be accustomed to using the Flash Programmer application with the J-Link on board debugger. However, if you find yourself without access to the J-Link debugger on a custom system, how would you go about uploading the program? To solve that, the RA MCU can be put into a boot mode that lets you upload programs using either a serial port or a standard USB port without requiring an intermediary like the J-Link debugger or emulators. In this demonstration, we will guide you through the process of uploading a hex file to an RA chip in MCU boot mode, specifically focusing on USB boot mode. To do this, we are going to connect an USB cable to the EK RA6M4 board for data and another USB cable to power the board. The EK boards are configured to start in two modes, single chip and boot mode. In single chip mode, the MCU begins by running the program it contains. However, in boot mode, the MCU starts differently. Rather than immediately running an application present, it remains idle, awaiting specific commands designed for execution in this mode. When the board powers up, the mode is determined by the MD pin, which needs to be set to 0. EK boards have a convenient onboard jumper located at J16 to short the MD pin. To initiate the board in boot mode, this pin must be shorted. To power up the board, we shall use the USB connector to USB debug port, which is designated as J10. This port is only meant to power up the board and not for communication in this case. After completing that step, we can configure the Flash Programmer and create a new project for basic operations. First, we will name the new project and then select the communication tool, which refers to the port we will use to upload our program. We can see that the USB port appears as RA USB boot CDC detected at COM21. We will select it and then press Connect. If the Flash Programmer is able to connect to the system through the selected protocol, then a successful operation log message will be produced. Next, we will attempt to upload a binary file to the board. Using the Add Remove Files button, we can browse our directory. We have a simple Blinky project saved as a hex file, which we will use for this purpose. Before executing this command, we might need to press the reset button on the board to ensure it reboots in boot mode. This step, pressing the reset button on the board, may be necessary before performing any operation. We will then click Start to upload the program. After the program has been uploaded, we will open the jumper J16 to disable boot mode. First, we will remove both USB cables from their respective ports. Then, we will remove the jumper and reconnect only the USB cable that supplies power. We will see that the LED is blinking, which means we were able to successfully program the MCU in USB boot mode. See you in the next video.